Dance to rubber dub. Welcome to Kingston, Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston.
Put TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I don't know what I'm for again. Say blessed Friday. Give thanks to life, give thanks to another day. Viewers and subscribers, give thanks to life. You know the man of pace. Zane. Yeah, man, we say give thanks to life and we can't stop reiterating. Everyone there. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Welcome to Line for TV. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You want some there? On the way to work, you know what I mean? 95. Big up the hard working people, them. Not ready for your living as long as they're honest bread. Big up on yourself, say. Yeah, I'm snowman. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to life and my fellow Jamaicans out there. I love you, know. Right across the world, everyone there. And diaspora. You see me? So, yeah, I want to talk about a few little things. I don't have much time. I don't know. We try to do a vlog every day so you guys can stay informed, entertained, you know what I mean? And enlightened. Yeah, man, please go check out my new single. Welcome to Kingston, dear lad. Tired and fed up, cry for peace. It's all my fault. Too money. See? 6 tracks on my EP, Welcome to Kingston. And we're gonna please go check it out, yeah man. If you haven't yet. See? Yes man, we're gonna look a snippet of Welcome
to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dance.
Yes man, welcome to Kingston, you know. Big up yourself, boom boom, can't tire. Yes man, I look forward to do the launch. One of England, one of Jamaica, but I will inform you guys furthermore in the news. Since I want to talk about Vybz Kartel, you know the things that surrounded him, his health and the prison business and them things there. You know? And also Busy Signal and Aidonia. Yeah man, rebuild the friendship. And it's a good look. Since it's the first I talk about Vybz Kartel, you know, his health issues deteriorating and then put him in some isolated self, so you know. And you know, our problem, which if him going to the situation there, it's not gonna be a good look for him, you know. That could deteriorate his health. Hence why you see him lawyer is in his defense asking for them to bring him back out, you know. I know we know which bad I deck up and no one. So me I say, yes man, everybody deserves a second chance in life. You see it, but yeah. When I watched it, well, I see all the vloggers covered it, my co-workers. And also Fox News with Lisa Evers. And I watched it yesterday and I said, you know, I felt a bit emotional, you know. It kind of touched me because hearing his son speak also, I think I look at Adi, I look at Vybz, one of them. Yeah. Also spoke on the interview on Fox News. Zane, it kind of touched me and I said, John Westall, it's really sad, you know. Really bad, you know. Yeah man, but I don't know. Everybody deserves a second chance in life and, you know, we don't support wrongdoing. We don't support wrongdoing or wrongdoers, you see me? Everybody deserves a second chance, you know. Yeah. So just, I wish all the best to Vybz Kartel and hope his health rebuild back up and replenish, you know. Yes. So, until then, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Now we faith, you know. Leave everything to God, you know, when God says for free, then we'll free it, you see me? But, you know, the minister said, you know, it really touched me yesterday. I felt a bit emotional hearing the interview from when his son speaks, yeah. You see it, so yeah man, that's the thing there.
Show me the way to victory lane. me destiny. Me know you now go say no, you will say yes to me. Please help me so I can help my families and relatives. They are all depending on me. They know say
Busy signal and Aidonia now tie the knot. So you say you tie the knot. We build the friendship. And it's a good look for the dancehall. You see me? A good look for the dancehall. You see me? A bounty killer first me say make a post. You see it? Them a bounty killer first make the post. You know what I mean? And I say yes. Damn good look. You see me? Yeah man, a big look for dancehall. Hope the others can end the feud and the molestation, you know what I mean? The molesting and, you know? We build back the friendship on the back because them time the alliance, the nice dancehall, the nice, you know. I know Busy and Aidonia did have a lyrical feud, and the lyrical feud fed into personal feelings, you see me? Man, them feelings and friendship mash up on them things, and this a crew over there, so that the crew over there, so over here, so. You see me? And dancehall segregate up. But it's a good look still. You see me? It's a good look for dancehall. And them man dubbed as two veterans of the dancehall. Because here's them do it. You see me? Here's them do it. You see it? Yeah, so me like to see that look. Good look. Good look. Yeah man, so. Viewers and subscribers, pick up on yourself on the Blessed Friday, you know. Give thanks to the local pay when you get to me. Because I get my pay and it's done already. Yeah man. I get my pay and it's done already. And I said, John was another week again. You see me? Bills, kids, Georgia. You see, but you don't ever give thanks to life for the little that we have. You know what I mean? Until then, we are going to do the work until we get a chance. In the music fraternity, music business, we also do the thing, you see? All Emmanuel and Selassie, Rastafari, big up myself and I am foot. And please go and check out my single. The EP, Who Feels It, Welcome to Kingston. See? And check out Who Feels It now stuff. Yeah man, because that song they make me go travel through the places, you know, I'm part of the world, you know. The thing is, you don't know, the fans big up on yourself. Yeah, all the love and respect for things I'm like. See? All the man, go shites, you know. Then I big up all the clean out people, you know, the black field people, you know. All the way. Now deceive no one. I cheat no one, you know. You be on top, you know. That's what I say. You ever big up yourself, man. That's the fire all the way. Clean and pure, and I'm not a man of peace. I make the them stop the crime and tell the violence of the street. See? Yes man, go and check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston, man. Big up the whole Jamaica, the whole world. Nothing but love with each other, yes. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell, see? Yeah man.
let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. The party's full up of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice.
Boy pick up spend shell. Mexican badness cartel. 4-5 send boy soul go hell. Rest in peace and sweat.